Hey everyone, welcome back to Ayush Code. Today in this video, we are going to see how we can install Ruby on Windows machine. So let's get started. So open any of the browser which you like and just search for Ruby install Windows, and as you see this first link, Ruby installer for Windows. So this is the recommended way to install Ruby on Windows. And this is the website, official website of Ruby language, that is rubylang.org. Here also, if we see, the way they suggest to install Ruby on Windows machine is using Ruby installer only. So let's click on Ruby installer, the Windows way, and then it says on Windows Ruby installer gives you everything you need to set up full Ruby development environment. So let's use Ruby installer only. Let's click on Ruby installer. It will redirect to you to the first link which we saw on Google search, that is rubyinstaller.org, and just click download here. Now, here are a couple of options. So this Ruby with DevKit and Ruby without DevKit. So I will suggest, if you're installing Ruby for first time, just go with the Ruby with DevKit option, which is the suggested way. Here also this installer suggests you that if you don't know, or if you are confused which way you should use, so just go with the recommended way, which is Ruby plus DevKit version. So we are going with the same way. Just click on Ruby plus DevKit, and the installer will get download. So let's save this application. Yeah, let's wait till this installer is complete. I'll just click to view this in folder. So here it is, my file Ruby installer. So I'll just right click on it and say run as administrator. Now this will ask me administrator permissions. I'll just say yes and let it install. Now you will also see this Windows protected your PC this pop-up. So just click on more info and just say that run anyway. So just click yes, uh, install for me, which is the recommended way. Just click on that. Just say read these all terms and conditions and just say I accept the license and just say next. Keep this installing path as default and say install. Check both of these version, Ruby, RI, HTML and all. Just say next. This will now start installing and extracting the Ruby files. As you can see, the installation is completed. Just click on finish. Now wait for this window. Now this command prompt is asking us for to install MSYS2 toolchain. MSYS2 base installation process will start. We will just say 1 or 3. So just say base installation. That's why we'll click 1 and we'll say enter. Now it will take some time to install the MSYS2 toolchain. So let's wait. So it is asking us which component shall be installed. If we are unsure, just press enter. So here also just press enter. It will install the base thing. So now Ruby installation is complete. Let's verify this Ruby installation with terminal. Open terminal of your choice and just say command ruby -v. So as you can see, we have installed Ruby 3.7, 3.4.7. Now let's also check for the gem version. So gem-v, it says 3.6.9. So both Ruby and gem are installed. So this gem is like a package manager for Ruby, as we have npm for Node. Now just verify this Ruby installation with the help of writing a simple Ruby program. I'll open VS Code here using this code space dot command. VS Code is opened here. Now I'll just create my first Ruby file. Just name it hello.rb, and we'll say put as welcome to the Ruby world. Now we'll just verify this program by running. So to run this Ruby program, just say ruby hello.rb. As you can see, we are done. As our program is run successfully, we can see the print statement, welcome to the Ruby world.